All right, clean smarter, not harder with these Geek Smart robot vacuums. So you can upgrade to the next generation of effortless cleaning. Both of these robot vacs feature powerful suction. They both have app control and advanced navigation. So it's your choice. You can choose between the G6, which is just the vacuum only. This has 1800 PA suction, 4 cleaning modes, anti-collision, runs up to 100 minutes per charge. This one is item 68435 for $89.99. Or you can choose the Geek Smart L7. This is a vacuum plus mop. So this has 2700 PA suction. Um, Navigation has 5 levels of like map, like smart map that you can set up for your room. This runs about up to 130 minutes per charge. This also includes this. Both have the charging dock that they return back to. This is item 68434 for $129.99.